I heard email marketing is dead, but I beg to differ. In this video, I am going to show you how to do email marketing the right way, basically the way the big boys in the affiliate marketing game do it. All right, you can see right here, this is my Aweber account. So if I come to my list, you can see today I got over 40 subscribers. Yesterday I did over 100 and total of 218 subscribers because I just started doing this recently. And also you can see right here 5 unsubscribed, and also you can see the total that I have on my list. All right, so basically I am going to show you how to do everything from start to finish. So basically this is a paid method that you can use to drive traffic to your CPA offer, Content Locker, or even ClickBank offers, JVZoo or Digistore. So basically what you want to do, you want to create an account with Udemy. You want to go to udemy.com. You want to create an account with them. It's absolutely free. Just create an account with your email. All right, so once you have an account with them, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So you want to over to this find sellers. All right, so basically the way Udemy works is you are buying clicks from email list of these sellers. Some of these sellers have thousands of subscribers on their email list. So basically they are going to send an email to their list, and once their subscribers clicks on that link, on the link in your email, you are going to be charged by these sellers. All right, so basically that is how it works. You are literally paying for clicks from their email list. So I hope that makes sense. So basically what you want to do is, once you come to these find sellers, you want to set the maximum price that you want. All right, and also if you are starting out as a complete beginner or you are new to the affiliate marketing industry, I don't recommend that you buy a lot of clicks. You rather want to start slowly to gain experience before you invest more money into it. Okay, so basically we are going to be setting the maximum to around 45 cents. And also you can choose the niche that you want to promote in. If it's not here, don't worry, I'm going to show you another strategy that you can use to find the niche. There are a lot of people that also get sales immediately after buying these clicks. All right, some people get sales, but basically don't expect it. Not everybody is going to get sales. I'm talking about if you are promoting with ClickBank or other affiliate network. All right, so don't expect it. Rather, what you want to do is you want to build your own email list, and you can sell to them over and over again, because once you have your own email list, it becomes an asset to you, because you can send them more offers down the line to their email, and you can keep on making money with your list as long as you want. Okay, so also there are a lot of filter options that you can use right here, but another important one that I recommend you do is you want to come to this rating. At least you want to set it to 300. You want to make sure you buy from sellers who has been on this platform for a long time, and also you want to check the like and dislike ratio. It's very important you do that. You can see this one right here, over almost 2,000 likes and 1 dislike. Definitely this person must have high quality email list. All right, so also you want to keep in mind, not everybody leaves reviews. Basically you want to look at these sellers and choose whichever one you want to use. So basically if we click on, let's go back to this guy here. If I click on his profile right here, you can see right here the percentage of people who made sales from this guy's email list. So you can see some people got sales with this guy's email list. All right, but don't expect it. And also this is where you can select the number of clicks you want to buy. You can see right here, so you want to choose the number of clicks that you want to buy and how much you can afford. And also they give you some options here to choose top tier countries like UK, US and Canada. All right, so if you click on these, the list is going to filter to select only subscribers from this country. If you want traffic from mobile subscribers, you can tick this option as well. If I tick it, you can see the price even goes higher, and that is because you are narrowing down your clicks. So I'm just going to uncheck this. And also, like I told you, if you don't find the niche that you want, there is a message icon here. You can send a message to this person right here and ask if they have email lists for your niche of choice. Okay, all right, as you can see right here, 14 people bought from this guy recently, and also you can see this guy has been here for a very long time, since 2017. So basically you want to make sure you do your due diligence before you purchase any email list. And also if you scroll down here, you are going to see where majority of their email lists are from. You can see 98% of it is from top tier countries. All right, so basically that is how you can do all your research before you make any sale with anyone. And also you can see the person is currently online. So basically that is another criteria that you can look at too, if the person is frequently online or not. Okay, you want to make sure you don't want to send message to someone who was last seen 3 days or 4 days ago. All right, because if you have any question, you want to make sure you can reach them as soon as possible. Like I said, once you are just getting started with email marketing, you don't want to come to Udemy and buy a lot of clicks. You want to start slowly so that you can gain experience on what works and what doesn't. Okay, so if you decide to work with this seller, basically once you've chosen the number of clicks you want, you can basically either submit the link to your CPA offer, your ClickBank product, or whatever you are trying to promote. But I recommend that you choose this add text option. Basically it gives you more control on what the email list is going to see. All right, so basically you can choose your own subject right here. You can add in your description and you can leave a link to your CPA offer or your content locker or whatever you are trying to promote with Udemy. So basically that is how easy it is to get started if you want to use paid traffic. So like I said, if you want to maximize your earnings doing email marketing, you want to build your email list. All right, if you send them directly to an offer, then if they don't complete your CPA offer the first time, that subscriber is gone forever. All right, so you want to make sure, just like I did, like I showed you on my Aweber account, you want to make sure you capture this email list. So once you capture the email list, then you can send them future emails as many times as you want. So basically they are going to become a source of passive income for you, because you can always resend them offers as many times as you like. So you can use this for CPA offer, you can use this for affiliate offers. So that is how you literally get started if you want to do email marketing. And for those who are new to the channel, you can use this free method that I show right here. I may leave a link in the description to this video. This video right here that shows you how to make money with Cpagrip and email marketing. All right, you can come watch this video if you have not seen it already. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to sign up with email platforms like GetResponse or Aweber or other options out there. Aweber is one of the best ones that you can use for email marketing. Okay, and also they offer free options and paid options. You can see right here, if you come to this aweber.com/pricing, you can see right here Aweber has a free version and it also has a pro version, which means you can use this free version without even having to insert your credit card. And as you can see right here, you can have up to 500 email subscribers. All right, currently I am using the free version of Aweber. However, if you're in countries like Nigeria and the like, Aweber is not going to allow you to create a free account with them without including a credit card. So basically, if you are from Nigeria and you try to create an account with them, Aweber does not give you this free option. You must buy the pro option if you want to use Aweber from Nigeria. But I am going to show you how to get the free version. So if you click on this get start for free, it's going to ask you to input your name right here. So let me just use XB, and then you want to type in your email address right here, and you want to click on start growing today. So once you do that, it's going to send an email to your Gmail. So once you do that, you are going to get to this page which says we just sent an email to. They are going to show your email with a link to set up your account. So you want to log in. So once you log in to your Gmail account, you are going to see, as you can see right here, Aweber community. So this is the email right here. So if I click on it, you can see right here, I can verify this email. So if I click on it, I am going to be able to get started with Aweber. So basically, I'm going to click on this get started. So basically, you are going to type in your email again, your Gmail, and you are going to input your password, and you want to click on save. So you can see the pro version and you can see the free version right here. All right, you can see the free version, it gives you up to 500 subscribers limit, and you can send up to 3,000 emails per month. So if you click on the free version, you want to click on continue, but by all means, if you can afford the paid version, then go for it. But if you are starting out, you might want to start with the free version before you pay for the pro version. So basically you can choose whatever category that you want. Okay, so I'm gonna just click on continue right here. So basically this part is also important. So whatever VPN you are using, so basically if you are using a United Kingdom VPN, you want to go to this website right here. So if you come to this website, you are going to get free address that you can use. So once you do that, you want to paste in the address right here. So once you do that, you can see the buttons and suggestions that you can use, so you can click on that. And also for the second address, you don't need to add anything. So you want to go back to copy the city. So you want to copy the city and you want to paste it right here. So once you do that, then you want to click on continue. So as you can see, it worked. So the next thing you want to do is you can just select whichever category you are. Most likely if you're a beginner, you want to go for this. No, I am just getting started with email marketing. Okay, so, and then you click on continue. So for here, you can basically skip this option and you can do it later. Right, so we are just going to skip this. So you want to skip this one as well. Boom, as you can see, now you have a free account. All right, so you want to skip this one as well. So basically this is how you create an Aweber account if you want to use the free one from unsupported countries. However, if you can get the pro version, by all means go for it. All right, so I just recommend starting with the free one if you are new to email marketing, so that you can gain some experience before upgrading to the pro version. All right, so basically that's how you do it. As you can see right here, this email does not have any subscriber at all. You can see it's empty, nothing is right here. So basically that is how you create a free account with them. And once you create an account with them, you can build or you can design your own email right here. So maybe I may make a different video on how to do that. So basically once you create your Aweber account, you are going to integrate your Aweber account to your landing page. Okay, so once you integrate Aweber to your landing page, so whenever you send your traffic to that landing page, the emails are going to be brought to Aweber, and you can remarket to this email as many times as you like. So basically for my students who are inside the course, basically as you can see right here, there is a new module in the course dedicated to email marketing. So I am going to be adding content in that section very soon, so make sure you keep your eyes out for that. And having said that, that brings us to the end of this video, and if you find any value, please smash that like button. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.